Alright students, as I had explained in the class parabola, so what are the different types of parabola? Right hand parabola, left hand parabola, upward parabola and downward parabola. So these are the four categories. Now depending on these, we will solve the questions, and whatever the question is asking, accordingly we will solve. So I had already told what is focus, what is foci, what is the latus rectum. Okay, all these things we have already finished. So we will discuss and solve more questions so it will be clear in mind. I hope I am audible enough and you can clearly see. Alright. So first question, it says, question number one says, find the length of latus rectum of each of the following parabolas. So different parabolas are given to us. So starting with first, it says y square is equal to 8x. Okay, y square is equal to 8x. So we already know y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, so y square is equal to 4ax. So this parabola, this is this kind of parabola. So it is on right hand. So this is right hand parabola. If it is minus 4x, it will become left hand parabola. Okay, so this we have already discussed in detail in class. So the general equation is y square is equal to 4ax. So compare with this, we will get 4a is equal to 8. So value of a is equal to 2. And we know length of latus rectum. Okay, length of latus rectum, this is 4a. Length of latus rectum is 4a. Right, so what is the value of a? 2. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Either you do this or directly you can compare from here. Okay, so let me change the ink. So it will be easy for you to differentiate. Either you solve like this, calculate the value of a and then substitute, then also it is correct. Or directly you can compare from here. So length of latus rectum of all the four parabolas. Okay, let me write length of latus rectum of all the four parabolas is same, that is 4a. So don't forget this. Okay, length of latus rectum is 4a. So compare here. So 4a is what? 8. Okay, so second part it says y square is equal to minus 12x. So this is left hand parabola because negative, see, so x, coefficient of x is negative, so here it is. Okay, so y square, we'll compare this with y square is equal to minus 4ax, that is with left hand parabola. So this is left hand parabola. So minus 4a is equal to minus 12. So 4a is equal to 12. So length of latus rectum is 12 in this case. Okay, I hope it is clear, students. Okay, so third part. Okay, third part you can see. I'll change the ink so that you can easily differentiate. Okay, so we'll take another ink, purple. Okay, so x square is equal to 16y, right? Okay, let me change the slide. I'll take next slide. Okay, now see third part. So third part says x square is equal to 16y. Okay, so x square is equal to 4ay. So what kind of a parabola it will be? X square is equal to 4ay, so it will be upward parabola, right? So x square compare with this is equal to 4ay. So this means 4a is equal to what? 16. So length of latus rectum is 16. Simple. Fourth part, see. Fourth part is x square is equal to minus 10y. So this is what kind of a parabola? X square is, so now see, 1 minute. So it is even power of x. Okay, so it will be symmetric about y-axis and negative. So it will be downward parabola. Okay, so it will be downward parabola. So here the point will be what? 0, minus a, right? Is it clear, students? So compare x square is equal to minus 4ay. So negative and negative cancel. So 4a is equal to 10. So length of latus rectum, again I am telling, length of latus rectum for all the four parabolas, latus rectum is same, what is 4a. So compare with the equation, you will get the answer. Okay, so now we'll start with second question. Okay, see question number 2 now. Question number 2 says, find the coordinates of the focus of each of the following parabolas. So y square is equal to 12x. So first, what kind of a parabola it is, we can compare with this. Y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, so it is right hand parabola, students. So right hand parabola. Okay, y square is equal to 4ax. 1 minute, I'll just write proper 1 minute. So we can have y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, so it will be this kind of a parabola, right? Y square is equal to 4ax. So you compare from here, 4a is equal to 12. So a is equal to 12 by 4, which is 3. Okay, so focus will be here. Okay, a comma 0, because on x-axis y coordinate is 0. So you will get coordinates of the focus will be 3 comma 0. Then next is, this is first part. Okay, so I'll change the ink so it will be easy for you to differentiate. So next part, so second part, it says y square is equal to minus 8x. Okay, so this is what kind of a parabola? Y square is equal to minus 8x. So this is negative side and this will become left hand parabola. Okay, so 4a is equal to y square, you can compare with this. Y square is equal to minus 4ax. So minus 4ax is equal to minus 8. Minus and minus cancel, so a is equal to 2. Okay, so here the points will be of what kind? Minus a comma 0, students. So this will be what? Minus 2 comma 0. Are you following? So in this way we will solve this questions. I hope it is clear, students. Nothing difficult, very simple. Okay, so in this way you will solve the questions. So third part you can see now, x square is equal to, okay, let me change ink. So we'll take blue, we only took, so black. Okay, so third part, see third part I'm solving here, simple it is. Third part, x square is equal to 16y, right? So what kind of a parabola it will be? X square, okay, and 16y. So it's even power x, so symmetric about y-axis, and this will become positive. Okay, so here equation is x square is equal to 4ay. So 4a is equal to 16, so a is equal to 4, right? So here the points will be 0 comma a, because on y-axis x coordinate is 0. So here it will become 0 comma 4. Okay, I hope you have done this first part. So I'll erase this. Okay, I'll erase this and then I'll solve the last part also. Okay, so this you have solved. Let me rub this one, then I'll solve the last part, then you can solve the other questions also. Okay, see now. Okay, see fourth one. X square is equal to minus 9y. So x square is equal to negative, okay. So we know this, x square is equal to minus 4ay, right? So this will be even, see even power x, so it will be symmetric about y-axis and negative because it is minus 4a. So downward parabola, and this point focus, okay, it will be of the form 0 comma minus a. Why it is 0 comma minus a? Because on y-axis we know x coordinate is 0 and this is below 0, so y will be negative, right? So minus 4a is equal to minus 9. So minus and minus cancel, right? So you will get a is equal to 9 by 4, but coordinates of the focus is what? 0 comma minus a. So this will become 0 comma minus 9 by 4. So don't forget this, students. Okay, so these are important concepts which I have explained. Repeat these questions and don't just simply sit idle and just watch this. Sit with your pen and register and repeat them at least twice and thrice so that it becomes clear in your head. Okay, and you can solve other questions. So complete this, then tomorrow we'll solve more questions. Okay, students, thank you.